Hi again, guys. So I used this W40 for the hose that it and clips that it didn't come out, and after that I used a couple of times of the W40 and I lost it, but now it's broken. PCV valves is broken. While I was trying to take it out, all the hose, small hose, all broken. So it was so dry. So I have another one. The hose is ready. What I did, I put the little oils, fresh oil, and both sides here and this side too. And also this is the that it goes to with the PVC valve, or this calls that grommet, something like that. You can oil that too. Or either get the oil a little bit and put it around like here, right there, and yeah, inside. And what you do, just put it right there, right here. And so let me show you guys. Hold on a minute. Okay, this is the valve, and then just put it right on top of the hair. Push it. Maybe you can oil a little bit here, right there too. That can go inside easily. Oh. Push it. Okay, now it's goes inside. See? That's little clean it. And that's it. Now this is the ready to. And let's go ahead and install. Right? Okay, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys. This is the one that this part, it should come inside of here, right here.
What? It just popped out.
Just push it inside.
Because you haven't thrown for long. It's not because.
Yeah, you will push there, and yeah, that you push there. After that, yeah, you will cut it this hose exactly for this one. So then put the clips, and exactly where you need to put it, and it's overall this is the way it is. Like it's not hard, but of course it's taking the time. Now I have to push it here. Yeah. Okay, guys, and thank you for watching. This is also gonna take time, the pushing and this one, and after that I have to adjust this hose. Basically, I am giving the information that yeah, you can do. This is the way it is. It's easy, and good luck, guys, to you. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.